Wynonna Judd's daughter, Grace Kelley, is still in jail on unpaid $2,500 bond 12 days after arrest. Wynonna Judd's daughter, Grace Kelley, has not been bailed out of jail 12 days after her arrest. Us Weekly can confirm via online records that Kelley, 27, is being held at the Elmore County Jail on a $2,500 bond. She was arrested in Alabama by the Millbrook Police Department in the early evening of April 5th. Kelley was initially charged with indecent exposure and obstructing governmental operation after reportedly exposing her breasts and lower body at a highway intersection. Days later, a third charge of soliciting prostitution was added. Kelley had a court date set for April 11th, but it has since been postponed until April 25th. Page 6 reports. Judd, 59, has yet to publicly address her daughter's arrest. Kelley, however, has denied all the allegations against her in an interview with the New York Post on April 13th, claiming that she was fully dressed. "I gave them all my information," she alleged. "I was like, I'm not doing anything wrong. I don't have any drugs on me." While it's been reported that Kelley was holding a sign that read, "Ride for a ride," she claimed to be honestly looking for assistance with a sign that read, "Help me with my ride." Kelley also told the publication that she's been treated a certain way because of her famous family, further claiming that her mother has blocked my number. "My mom, she thinks I'm on drugs, right? She wants me to go to rehab. But when I came to jail, I took a drug test, and I passed it," Kelley added. "I'm not on drugs. My mom won't listen to me. She won't believe me. She thinks I'm out here doing crazy ST." The country music legend shares Kelley with ex-husband Arch Kelley III. The former couple, who were married from 1996 to 1998, also share 29-year-old son Elijah Kelley. Prior to her most recent arrest, Kelley had a separate brush with the law in 2016. At the time, she was arrested on drug charges, and in May 2017, she pleaded guilty to meth manufacturing, delivery, sale, and possession with intent. She was sentenced to 11 months and 29 days in jail, which was later reduced to 30 days. Kelley was subsequently ordered to complete a drug program and ordered to spend the rest of her sentence on probation. In June 2018, US confirmed that Kelley was sentenced to 8 years in prison after breaking probation. She was at West Tennessee State Penitentiary until her November 2019 release. Following Kelley's release, Judd broke her silence on the situation, calling her daughter the strongest Judd woman in our history during a February 2020 appearance. "She's healthier than I was at 23, the singer continued. "How she got there. I would not go that way, but I was also sequestered. That could have been me if I didn't have music." Kelley was later arrested in April 2020 for a probation violation and ultimately granted parole 1 year later. Amid her ongoing legal struggles, Kelley welcomed a daughter named Kalia Chanel, who was born in April 2022. More than a year after becoming a mother, Kelley was arrested once again in May 2023 after violating her parole and violating an order of protection and restraining order. She was released in October of that year. In this article,